welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui, and in today's video we'll be doing the first unboxing of 2021.
And this is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, but if you are new to our channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We do everything luxury, beauty, and fashion. So let's get this video rolling.
So, Ri, this bag is actually for Ri, and if you read the title, I'm sure you already know what it is. So let's just go on ahead, do like the little unboxing, and then she'll tell you why she purchased the bag. So first of all, it did come in this Louis Vuitton box.
Okay, so this baby is what I got. So it's the regular Louis Vuitton dust bag, and let's oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the purse, you guys. Yes, like look at this freaking bag.
She is a beauty.
So this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the Bicolor. So it's
so pretty.
Yes, I absolutely love it. So this is in the cream and rosewood.
Okay, so tell them why you purchased the bag.
I really wanted something because I am on a weight loss journey and I am trying to lose 40 pounds. So with this 40 pounds, I do have a little booklet and it asks you, what would you get yourself if you reach your goal? And this is actually the gift that I'm gifting myself, but here's the catch. I cannot have it until I lose 40 freaking pounds. So Qui is gonna be the keeper of this baby until I can drop all the weight. And let me tell you something, I have been eating right. I have been on that treadmill.
And she also had some liquor yesterday, so
I had liquor, but I'm down 10 pounds, and it was half a cup. Half a cup. I can do that. It's all about balance, okay?
It is about balance.
Yes.
Okay, so out of everything that you could have chosen, what made you choose this as your gift?
It's absolutely beautiful, and not only that, but it's outside of what I'm used to. Like this cream color is cream and rosewood, and usually we do, you know, just like the basic bags, the black and gold, the black and silvers. So for me to have something cream, it's like, oh my gosh, did I really? Who is she? Who is she?
Because she is so, she kind of careless with her bag.
Yeah.
So hopefully this bag will, you know, get her in the zone of really taking care of her bags. But yeah, I'm excited for you to actually get a chance to wear it.
Yep, so I'm excited. So once I drop this 40 pounds, can you store her? Can you store her well?
I'm going to store her very well.
So I'm gonna hand this over to Qui. So once I lose my 40 pounds, yes. So we're gonna do, once I hit the 40 pounds, we will do like a whole review, like a what can fit.
I think we need to do a review before your 40
pounds.
Yeah, because then like we're gonna do an actual review on the bag before the 40 pounds. So maybe
sounds good.
Next week or the following week we'll do an actual review on the bag, so you guys can get a closer look of the bag. Look at all, we'll give you guys all the specs, the cost, and all of that. If you do want this bag, I suggest you get in touch with a sales associate, because for some reason online it's kind of janky trying to get one. So I would definitely get in touch with a sales associate and make sure you get your bag before they are sold out, because it is absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. If you like our channel, definitely make sure you subscribe. We keep you up on the latest and the greatest. And yeah, that's the end of our video. So until next time,
don't forget to stay what?
Chic.
Chic Squad.